on California's death row. I have been on death row for 19 years. I'm here before you today because my constitutional right to receive a fair appeal has been denied to me by the state-appointed federal attorney, Charles M. Benu and Jesse Morris Jr. Mr. Benu and Mr. Morris have covered up planted evidence and false testimony of law enforcement officers and civilians. They have also lied to the federal court of Judge Anthony W. Ishii about the misconduct. Both attorneys stated to the court that after their investigation of the evidence, they were not able to find planted evidence in my case. I have asked Benu and Morris to show me and give me copies of Trial Exhibits 16 through 40 so I could prove to them and the court that Kern County DA Lisa Green and Romero Mudge have covered up planted evidence and used that evidence through false testimony to obtain a conviction against me. My attorneys refuse to give me the exhibits so I can help prove my case. Even after learning about Lisa Green and Bakersfield.com, the Birth of Bakersfield, and the book Mean Justice, and revealed 2 of Lisa Green's cases, which was thrown out by the appeal court because of her misconduct. By learning disability and being a poor black man, they were the officers of the court to walk all over me and turn their backs on the truth of the case to violate my right to a fair trial and appeal. I believe my only hope for a fair appeal now is that you, the people, after looking over the evidence and reading Shadows of Evil, you can help me by writing to Judge Ishii stating you believe that Berryman did not receive a fair trial and from the evidence there is misconduct in Berryman's case. This is the only way Judge Ishii will take a closer look into the case. I have asked him to look at the evidence, but the court won't believe me over the lies of my attorney. So please write to Judge Anthony W. Ishii, United States District Court, Eastern District of California, 5419 U.S. Courthouse, 1130 Rose Street, Room 5000, Fresno, California, 93721. I'm about to enter into my last level of appeal soon, and my attorneys continue to lie to me. In July of 2007, Jesse Morris Jr. told me that he turned over Trial Exhibit 640 to C.J. Ford, an investigator that I hired, but C.J. Ford said that he never received the exhibit. Because of my stress and having nightmares from the mental torture of the lies pressed on my life from my lawyers, I will no longer call or have visits with them ever again. I would like to say to Florence Hildred, the deceased, to her family, that I did not rape and murder Mimi. If Detective Lang and Coley and Deputy T. Hawkins, as well Technical Investigator Helen Sparks, Jerry L. Roper, and Opal L. Chappell, also criminalist Gregory Meskwowski, if they would have searched for the truth instead of planting evidence and covering up that evidence, then I would not have had to reveal crime scene photos in this light for the world to see. I'm sorry that you all have to live through this for all to see again. The trial was painful enough. I know it was hell for me. I do blame my lawyers also. Again, I'm sorry. And for those who would like to help, please write Judge Ishii today, please. And if you have any questions for me, please write me at Rodney Berryman Sr., P.O. Box P.O. 3500, San Quentin Prison, San Quentin, California, 94974. Thank you again for hearing my cries for help.
Wednesday, September 28, 1988. Gregory Leskowski gave false testimony for the DA during Mr. Berryman's trial about 3 chain links, evidence he recovered from the floorboard near the passenger side of this seat. During a search warrant on Berryman's truck, Mr. Leskowski, the criminalist, lied under oath when he said he recovered gel item number 2 of the 3 individual links with a horseshoe shape. See RT 2607 through 2608. Leskowski also lied by saying the planted chain link found at scene 1 by T.I. Roper and links found in the floor of the pickup. Mr. Leskowski stated the results of his comparison were that the link found at the scene 1 has the same set of tool marks as the links recovered from the pickup, and it suggests a common manufacturer. Mr. Berryman believes the DA criminalist test results are false because of the planted evidence and what the photograph shows of People's Exhibit 71, that Leskowski said accurately shows what he saw during the time of the search warrant of the pickup, and he recovered those 3 horseshoe-shaped links from the area in which they were shown in the photograph. I happen to have Exhibit 71 that shows the area of the chain links, and as you can see, between the pack of Cool cigarettes and the penny are only 2 chain links that aren't in a horseshoe shape. Leskowski lied to the jury by saying he recovered 3 horseshoe-shaped links, and the other DA was leading his witness to lie under oath, even while showing the jury photographs that showed only 2 links not in horseshoe shapes. Also, Detective Lage's search warrant receipt on 9/10/87 is false by stating on the list in item 4, 3 chain links found on the floor, right side of Berryman's truck. Again, People's Exhibit 71 only shows 2 chain links. See RT 2639 through 2645.